Hi guys, good day. So today I'm gonna teach you on how to travel in Singapore. Hi guys, good day. So today I'm gonna teach you on how to travel in Singapore.
So for those who are traveling to Singapore from Philippines, dapat at least fully vaccinated and then with one booster shot. At para naman sa mga hindi vaccinated, kailangan ng negative RT-PCR test. 3 days before your flight, may marireceive kayong email and you have to fill up the SG arrival card. Next step naman is yung travel tax. After niyan, diretso na kayo sa counter check-in. I-ready nyo na yung inyong passport at yung inyong booking. Flight namin dito is 5:40 in the morning, kaya make sure 3 hours early kayo sa main airport. Para sa mga nagtatanong, travel tax is 1,620. Once na-check-in nyo na yung inyong baggage at may ticket na kayo, fill up nyo naman yung immigration departure card. And then, diretso na sa immigration. Hindi lang tayo allowed mag-take ng photo sa immigration, so make sure i-ready nyo na doon yung inyong mga documents, yung proof ng inyong return flight, travel itinerary, passport, and then lahat ng kailangan documents para sa immigration. Once cleared na si immigration at boarding na, diretso na kayo ngayon sa aeroplano. This is already my second time in Singapore at naisipan kong isama yung pinsan ko at ang boyfriend niya. Pagdating nyo sa airport, i-ready nyo na yung inyong SG arrival card and then passport for immigration clearance.
We're here in Singapore. Natripan mag-Singapore. After 2 years since the pandemic, ngayon lang ulit naka-travel. Morning.
SG arrival card.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Sa flight namin, arrival is Terminal 4.
Yan. So, i-claim lang namin yung checked-in baggage. Then, magla-lunch. After mag-lunch, diretso na kami sa hotel. Alright, see you! Okay, since nakuha na natin yung checked-in baggage, next naman, nagbuka kasi ako sa Klook ng SIM card. And then, bibili tayo ng tourist pass. Yan.
Alright, so yan, that ends my video for today. If you have questions, comment lang kayo and try kong sagutin ng mga yon. Thank you!